there are very less interaction. People, the main initial.
They were like we used to send to the breakout room for the casual talking and all. After that, sir used to
Yeah,
bring us to
so
the main room.
this was the second time, na? I am just telling about the first initial days, which was when it was a very huge success. That time, what was happening is like we have given up the topic, you have to prepare for it, or you come without preparation, also no problem about that. You will only gradually know. So what we do is like we ask people, tell me about SpaceX. What do you know about SpaceX? What do you feel about SpaceX? Then we gradually start our discussion. And we have seen most of the people who were in the GD, they were discussing about the topics, right? Or you have started recording.
Yeah, recording started. So let's discuss about SpaceX.
You should tell me now you have started recording. Otherwise, I wouldn't.
Oh, you're speaking. I didn't want to interrupt.
No, you just have to say like that. No problem.
Okay.
I will talk to Vishal sir. Wait.
Vishal sir, for what?
About this GD.
I will just, or I will also just say about the GD.
I will talk about after this GD only. I will just talk him. I will just call him.
Okay, sure.
You also discuss. You are the employees here right now. I'm just helping.
Yeah, sure. Every Sunday we are having a meeting with the Vishal sir, so we will discuss.
Okay. Let's directly come into SpaceX only now.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, Naman, tell. What do you know about SpaceX? Everything you know, discuss.
Yeah, so let's start the GD about here. So about so SpaceX is a technology company which specializes in space technologies like rockets and many other things are there in SpaceX, and there are so many projects happening inside the SpaceX. It's one of the first, private aerospace company after Boeing, and it has been a huge success because of its founder Elon Musk, who is a very much serial entrepreneur, and he has achieved major successes in life in many of his businesses like X.com or PayPal, anything you say, and he has a very lot of admiration in the industry in which he's working. Also very much famous for electric cars known as Tesla. So coming back to the SpaceX, so SpaceX, one of the famous things which made SpaceX so famous was reusable rockets, right? So what is reusable rockets is like what happened before was when satellites used to, when companies like telecom companies you can take, they want to launch their own satellites, they want to launch their own GPS systems, they used to tell NASA that we want to use, and the cost was very much high to launch those satellites into the space. Hello, can you all hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, so what happened was like, then what happened was Musk wanted one thing, like they wanted to reduce the cost of the rockets, right? So one of the ways to reduce those costs which was initially involved in the rocket, because previously what happened was it used to take 1 billion plus, it used to cost 1 billion plus for the companies to launch the rockets into the space, launch their own satellites into the space, right? So he wanted to reduce cost, and if he succeeded in reducing the cost, it would be a very much money making game for him, right? So what he did was, he was a very much self-taught physics guy, and then he launched a SpaceX. They had some trials about the SpaceX. When he sold the PayPal, he invested in that company SpaceX with his own money. So first two rocket launches were a major failure for him, and after the second launch, Musk was very much near to face
No,
bankruptcy.
after the third launch, I guess.
So yes,
It failed 3 times.
I think second launch. 3 times or 2 times, I think.
3 times. Okay, I've read his biography. 3 times it failed.
So if he launched 3 times, he was very near to the bankruptcy. right?
Mm.
And then he had only, I think, $30 million or $40 million, and both of his companies which he was running correspondingly, Tesla and SpaceX, both of his companies were like, near to bankruptcy. So he diverted his last savings equally among those two companies, around I think $15 million in each company, or $30 million in each company, right?
$30 million.
Yeah, the 30 he invested $30 million in each company, and then with God's luck and wish everything, he succeeded in launching the fourth project. So it was a very successful landing, and that time, it created a big revolution for the space tech industry, right? So now we have seen how much successful SpaceX is. Every person knows who is Elon, who is SpaceX, and what is Tesla, right? And you have seen the market cap of both the companies. It's enormous, right? So what happens is, what I feel is that US is a very much capitalist country. They follow capitalism, right? And this was one of the industries which was not capitalized, was this one, which is the space industry. It was going on slowly, but it was not at the fast pace. After SpaceX had a huge success, this industry grew much more faster than it was predicted, right? So SpaceX was the catalyst for this industry to boom, according to me. Aditya, what do you think about this?
Well,
SpaceX,
SpaceX,
Tesla, what?
yeah, I'm saying the main purpose of SpaceX is to send people to Mars, because uh, the vision of Elon Musk is that when Earth would get over, or when Earth would die, so then people can live in Mars. That's the purpose of SpaceX.
Yeah,
That's
I
his
do
dream or
understand.
vision, you can say.
I do understand about the purpose of SpaceX, and I do understand about the colonization of leaving the Earth and colonizing another planet, right? So, what do you think? Is it too early to start this thing? Do you
Is
think
it
like that?
true?
Is it too early, right,
No, I
to
don't think so.
start?
No, no, no. Because you see, sending people to Mars would take a lot of time. So I guess right now is the correct time to start.
So, so you think that this is the right time currently to start, but according to major publishers, research publications, and many Nobel laureates and scientists, they say that it will, when the Earth would die, one of the major reasons Earth would die is the expansion of the sun, because the sun is expanding its mass also, day by day, very small amount, but initially it is predicted for at least 10 billion years to you know destroy the Earth, because the sun will become a big star, and it will be very much near to the Earth that time. So obviously Earth would become the next Mercury, right? And Mercury would don't exist. So I think it's very early, but yeah, the concern is that, like, because of this thinking, like, we could be just as extinct as the dinosaurs. This thinking was very much important and very much needed, and I'm
Can you
very
speak a
much,
bit louder,
you know
Naman? You said something about
yeah. So
dinosaurs.
I'm very much, yeah. I was saying that we have this feeling like one day we will be also extinct, just like dinosaurs are, right? So we do think like uh, we are very much cleverer, and we have so much advancement of technology, and one of the main intelligent species are humans. So Elon Musk's main thinking was, we as humans are not just a normal person who is living his life and doesn't care about anyone. We are wanderers, not just wanderers on earth, but wanderers of space. And we are very much colonizers. We can colonize any country, right?
Yes. Hello.
So we want to become the colonizers of space,
Yes.
right? So, yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, so this was the initial reason why Elon Musk started SpaceX. I am sure that until we achieve that technology to travel at a light year in space, that time I don't think so I would be alive and you would be alive. But do you think that these types of technologies do excite you?
Yeah,
And
obviously.
it would be better if we achieve those technologies at a very early space.
Yeah, of course, it would be good. Technology is improving at a rapid pace, so I believe that we could achieve that.
Mhm. And what do you think about this whole concept of space travel and space tourism kind of?
I guess it's all about technology. Since technology is improving, new possibilities are opening up. That's what I can say.
Hmm.
Because of disruption of
And
technology, new possibilities are opening up. Maybe there are more possibilities which is out of our imagination, which in future, maybe after 50 years, there would be something magic like that, which we can't
magic.
imagine. Now, magic means magic in the sense, for example, 50 years ago, we couldn't have imagined about space travel, but now we guess that it is possible. So again, 50 years later, something else would be possible, which is out of our imagination. That's what I'm saying.
Hmm. And just wait a minute.
And
Uh, so one more thing I was like wanting to know about, like those technologies which will power, right, the future. And we have seen it's a very much possibility to travel at a light space. I think one day our cars would be spaceships and we can travel planet to planet, just like we are traveling country to country, right? And this is what excites me the most here. The second thing is, it's many people think that it's impossible and it's not really achievable, but I think like it's possible, because in impossible it's saying I am possible, right? So who knew that we will use mobile phones in at just 20 years after? We'll have this personal assistant with us, which will be a very much necessity of life, right? Who knew that? So anything can happen in future. We can also be, before colonizing any country, our full human race can go extinct, right? Well, who knows the future? But yeah, these kinds of technologies do excite me the most. So what is the most futuristic technology you are getting excited of, or
futuristic technology. I need to think. Right now, I can say I need some time to think about. There are several technologies, right? Several unbelievable technologies that I need to research about. Then I can say. Maybe I would say Monday. Say on Monday.
we will not have this topic on Monday?
No, you could join on Monday, right? You can join on Monday. Then we can discuss about it.
Yeah.
And please tell everyone to join, because you see, it feels very embarrassing that we need to request each and every time, please join, please join. So I went a little bit harsh today. I wrote
Turn off
something.
the recording once. Turn
Yeah?
off the recording. Turn off the recording once.
No, not now, not now. We need more time to discuss.
How many time? How many? What is the time limit?
Right now it's 10:30.
And when does your
10:40,
reader
10:40 I would end it.
10:40? I would end. Okay. and we don't have any people to discuss. So what we will.
Okay, let's turn off the recording and you say what you want to say.